Did you know that eating more fruits and vegetables can actually make you feel fuller on fewer calories? It's true. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are low in calories and high in fiber and water, which means they fill you up without filling you out. This makes them your secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. Instead of restricting yourself, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while still achieving your weight loss goals. It's a simple shift in your eating habits that can yield remarkable results. Fruits and vegetables are more than just healthy snacks. They're vibrant, delicious, and versatile additions to any meal. They're the foundation of a successful weight loss journey, providing the essential nutrients your body craves. By incorporating a variety of these nutritional powerhouses into your diet, you can enjoy a rainbow of flavors and textures. You're providing your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive, ensuring you feel your best every day. These nutrients not only support overall health, but they also boost your metabolism and help your body burn calories more efficiently, making your workouts more effective. Plus, the fiber in fruits and vegetables aids in digestion, promoting a healthy gut. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, maintaining steady energy throughout the day. This prevents those pesky energy crashes that lead to unhealthy cravings, keeping you on track with your goals. It's a win-win situation for your body and your weight loss goals, making every bite a step towards a healthier you. Let's face it, losing weight can be tough. There are temptations everywhere, and it's easy to fall off track. We've all been there. The late-night cravings, the emotional eating, the lack of motivation. It's a constant battle against our own willpower. But what if there was an easier way? What if you could enjoy delicious, satisfying foods while still losing weight? Section 4. Supercharging your weight loss journey. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be challenging, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can make it a rewarding experience. That's where fruits and vegetables come in. They are not just colorful additions to your plate, but essential components of a balanced diet. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them your secret weapon in the fight against fat. Incorporating a variety of these foods can help you stay full and satisfied. Berries like blueberries and raspberries are low in calories and high in antioxidants, fighting disease and boosting metabolism. They are perfect for a healthy snack or a delicious addition to your breakfast. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with vitamins and minerals while being incredibly low in calories. These greens can be easily added to salads, smoothies, or even soups. Citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, are known for their vitamin C content and metabolism-boosting properties. They can also help improve your immune system and keep you energized. And don't forget about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, which are high in fiber and help you feel fuller for longer. These vegetables can be roasted, steamed, or added to various dishes. Adding these superfoods to your diet is a simple yet powerful way to accelerate your weight loss journey. By making small, consistent changes, you can achieve your health goals and enjoy a more vibrant life. Section 5. The surprising powerhouse celery. While many fruits and vegetables contribute to weight loss, one stands out as a surprising champion: celery. This crunchy vegetable is often overlooked, but it's a true weight loss hero. Not only is it refreshing and hydrating, but it also offers a satisfying crunch that can curb your cravings. Celery is incredibly low in calories, with a single cup containing a mere 16 calories. This makes it an ideal snack for those looking to shed some pounds. But it's not just about the low calorie count. Celery is a nutritional powerhouse. Celery is also packed with fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regularity, and helps you feel fuller for longer. This fiber content is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This means you can enjoy a satisfying snack or add crunch to your meals without worrying about packing on the pounds. Whether you eat it raw, add it to soups, or blend it into smoothies, celery is versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Incorporating celery into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your weight loss efforts. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for some celery and enjoy its many benefits. Section 6. Reaping the rewards of nature's bounty. By incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet, you're not only fueling your body with essential nutrients, but you're also setting yourself up for successful weight loss. These nutritional powerhouses fill you up on fewer calories, boost your metabolism, and help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing cravings and overeating. And let's not forget about the added benefits of increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Section 7. Your path to a healthier you. Losing weight doesn't have to be a constant struggle. By embracing the power of fruits and vegetables, you can achieve your weight loss goals while enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. Remember to include a variety of colorful fruits and veggies in your diet, and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and flavors. With a little effort and a lot of delicious produce, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you.